If you're feeling the weight of financial struggles, hustling hard but still not seeing the abundance that you desire, and you're constantly dealing with anxiety and stress around money, then this one is for you. In today's episode, I'm going to dive deep into the power of surrendered manifestation. Now, this is the continuation of the last episode, so if you missed out on that one, you can check it out over here. Hey there, I'm Joveline, mindset coach and hypnotherapist, helping you master your mindset so you can attract more wealth and abundance into your business and your life. Now, we've all been there, grinding day in and day out, practicing manifestation techniques, and still not seeing the financial breakthrough that we crave. Now, this is all the symptoms of having a controlled manifestation mindset. And if we don't change this, we'll live our lives on struggle street until we do. And we don't really want that, do we? So let's talk about the other form of manifestation, which is called surrendered manifestation. Now, surrendered manifestation is an approach to manifestation that's all about letting go of the excessive need to control and allowing the natural flow of abundance to unfold. It involves releasing attachment to specific outcomes, trusting in the process, and embracing the mindset of openness and trust. In surrendered manifestation, there's a deep knowing that the universe or a higher power will deliver everything that we desire at the right time with ease. Now, it's all about setting intentions and trusting in the process. Having a surrender mindset means embracing the present moment, letting go of all the worries that we have about the future or when our goals is going to manifest. This mindset is about always looking for joy and gratitude in our current circumstances, even if we aren't quite where we want to be. Making sure we protect ourselves from negative energy and aligning ourselves with positive frequency of abundance is really important as well. Most importantly, surrendered manifestation is just about flowing through life. Think of yourself flowing down a stream, you're relaxed, you're calm on your back, and instead of resisting to the potential challenges like rocks and boulders, you just flow and allow the stream to move you around the rocks. This is what surrendering means. It doesn't mean, though, that your intentions and goal setting isn't significant in the journey of manifestation, though. But it's about finding a balance between purposeful creation and allowing the universe to unfold its magic in all ways possible. If you're sick and tired of hustling for money and abundance and you still have nothing to show for it, then you're in for a treat. Because I have released a free guide to help you break free from the top 10 common money blocks that may be potentially holding you back from creating and attracting wealth into your life. So download it now in the description below, or you can visit jovelinehead.com to download this instantly. Also, over the coming weeks, I will be releasing powerful manifestation techniques that can help you supercharge your wealth. So be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. And if you'd like to watch more videos about money mindset and the art of manifestation, you can watch more over here. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next one.